Wow, welcome to episode 3 of our dinosaur zoo on Mars. Find out what happens when the colossal T-Rex comes face to face with the T-Rex.
In the park, I have never lost one person to a dino. Let's continue on. Like I said, this park is perfectly safe. Absolutely nothing dangerous here. Okay, let's... What? Where's everybody? Huh. That's funny. I thought I was leading a tour. Huh. Oh no, I need the toilet now!
Also be unboxing the exclusive Jurassic Park John Hammond figure sent to me by Mattel. And the brand new Dino Rivals Dual Attack Quetzalcoatlus. And our next dino is the Styracosaurus. Okay, and the Styracosaurus has a strength of 6, a speed of 3, intelligence of 3, and aggression of 5. I will hit him on the head with my stick. Oh, he's not happy either. Look, he's attacking the fence. The Styracosaurus, its name means the spiked lizard. It lived during the late Cretaceous period and was about 18 feet or 5.5 meters long and weighed around 3 tons or 6,000 pounds. It was an herbivore.
And our next dino is the Parasaurolophus. The Parasaurolophus has a strength of 4, a speed of 3, intelligence of 2, and aggression of 3. He will get eaten after I knock him on the head with my stick. Look, he's trying to escape.
The Protoceratops, its name means first horned face. It lived during the late Cretaceous period. It was an herbivore that was about 1.8 meters or 6 feet long, about the size of a sheep, and weighed about 390 pounds or 180 kilograms.
And the next dinosaur is Dracorex. Dracorex has a strength of 3, a speed of 10, intelligence of 4, and aggression of 4. Oh, I forgot what my name is. Oh yeah, I'm Hammond. Oh, okay. There's our dino over there. Look, he's feeding on one of the yummy steam-a-lot carcasses we've given him. Boy, they love these other dinos.
The Dracorex, the name means hollow tail. It lived during the late Cretaceous period. It was about 8 feet long or 2.4 meters and about 2.5 feet tall or 0.7 meters. It weighed about 29 to 44 pounds. It was a carnivore and its first fossil was found in 1881.
And over here we have Velociraptor Delta. Velociraptor Delta was a friend of Velociraptor Blue and trained by Owen. He has a strength of 7, a speed of 9, intelligence of 10, aggression of 9. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. Look, he's eating one of our genetically modified Triceratops. We love feeding those to those guys. Oops. You weren't supposed to know that.
Velociraptor. The name means swift Caesar. It grew to about 2 meters or 6.6 feet in length, half meter or 1.6 feet in height, and weighed about 15 kilograms or 33 pounds. It killed its prey with a sickle-shaped claw on its rear feet. It was a carnivore, and it was super fast and intelligent.
And our next dinosaur is the Suchomimus. The Suchomimus has a strength of 8, a speed of 5, intelligence of 4, aggression of 7. Oh, I gotta poop. Oh no, I gotta poop. I gotta go now. Look, he's eating his favorite snack. A sticky Moloch. We have a lot of those.
The Suchomimus. Its name means crocodile mimic. Its snout was about 4 feet long. It came from the same family as the Spinosaurus. They lived during the Middle Cretaceous period, and they grew to about 36 feet long, 12 feet tall at the hip, and weighed around 5 tons or 10,000 pounds. So these dinos were huge and very slow.
And our next dino is the Quetzalcoatlus. The Quetzalcoatlus has a strength of 9. Oops, sorry. A speed of 8. Oops. Intelligence of 5. And aggression of 7. Despite all the dangers in the park, I have never lost one person to a dino. Let's continue on. Like I said, this park is perfectly safe. Absolutely nothing dangerous here. Okay, let's... What? Where's everybody? Huh. That's funny. I thought I was leading a tour. Huh. Oh no, I need the toilet now!
The Quetzalcoatlus lived during the late Cretaceous period in North America. Its wingspan was 3 times larger than an Andean condor and weighed as much as a panda bear. It was approximately 18 feet long and had a wingspan of 36 feet and probably weighed about 250 to 300 pounds, or as much as an adult human, and it probably lived off of dead animals like a vulture.
And our next dino here is the mighty T-Rex. The mighty T-Rex has a strength of 10, a speed of 7, an intelligence of 5, and aggression of 9. And we feed him his favorite food, T-Rexes.
The mighty T-Rex. Its name means tyrant lizard, while the name Rex means king. So he was the king of the dinos. He measured up to 13 meters or 42 feet in length, 4 meters or 13 feet at the hip and could weigh up to 7 tons or 14,000 pounds. It was a mighty carnivore.
Okay, like I was saying, I need to close the gate, so I'm gonna push this button right there. Wait, don't push that button, that opens the gates! Run for it! Quick, everyone, evacuate the... what were you saying? Oh, yeah, you said to close the gates, okay. Here we go, they're closed. Like I said, nobody in this park has ever been eaten or hurt or... Huh? Where's everyone? Oh, well, I guess I was just going for a walk alone again, huh? Okay, oh no, I need the toilet again! Okay, and in this case we have the Triceratops. The Triceratops has a strength of 8, a speed of 4, intelligence of 2, and aggression of 7. So he's got to use his strength because he's not too smart. Oh, look out, he's attacking the fence! Guys, super excited. Today we have a brand new dino to add to our dinosaur zoo. We have Jurassic World, Fallen Kingdom, Dino Rivals, Megalodon, Quetzalcoatlus. This girl is awesome. So she's got flapping wings and head strike action button. Let's check out the back. It says Super Wing Strike and Super Jump. And there we have her card. So let's go ahead and free her from the package. Okay, and she is free. So she does have folding wings. So when you fold her wings out, I mean, they are huge. That is so cool. And then good flapping action. Really nice, strong flapping action there. And a head strike action. So she could swoop down and grab somebody, and she's strong enough to hold an action figure in her mouth. Let's see if she could hold a full size. Whoa, she is. That's awesome. I love it. So let's take a closer look at it. So like I said, big huge wings. She's like a tan color, blue, and almost like a reddish brown color. Folding wings there. The legs move all the way up and down until they hit the wings, that is. But so that's cool. She could put her legs in the back to fly, or she could put her legs down like that for a landing. But anyways, like I said, really strong flapping action, and this grabbing action is awesome. Because most of these, I mean, they wouldn't be able to pick up a full-size action figure because they could close their mouth, but they have no strength to hold on. So really long neck here, blue, orange, purple coloring. Really nice paint work on the tongue there. And here's a good look at the bottom. Let's go ahead and take a picture of that scan code. Okay, so here is the Quetzalcoatlus' card. She has a strength of 9, so super strong. Speed of 8, she's really fast. Intelligence of 5, so mild intelligence. Aggression of 7, so wow. This is one formidable pterosaur. Okay guys, this just arrived in the mail. Mattel sent me this. This is Jurassic Park exclusive John Hammond. So you open the little gates on the front,
And you got John Hammond there with his cane. He's got this little bird bath with a dinosaur hatching in it. How cool is that? Let's go ahead and take him out of the package. So it's a John Hammond exclusive. It says John Hammond is a creator, innovator, and loving grandfather who has high hopes for his theme park off the coast of Costa Rica. However, on Isla Nublar, the attractions sometimes eat the visitors. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Cool. And there he is before I remove him from the package. And there we have our first look at John Hammond outside the gates of Jurassic Park. You better look out for that Spinosaurus behind him. So this John Hammond, it does have this little, like I said, it looks almost like a bird bath. It's not. It's got an egg hatching dinosaur there. So that's a really cool accessory. And then it's John Hammond with his like, he's got like the glass part on his cane there that has like the mosquito with the DNA inside it. You could open his coat part way, so he is all white just like he is in the movie. And he does look really cool. I mean, he looks just like he does in the movie. Okay, so let's go ahead and scan her into the park. So there is our Quetzalcoatlus. Cool. So let's go ahead and check her out. First of all, if we go to her strengths, she's got a strength of 9, a speed of 8, intelligence of 5, aggression of 7. Some cool facts. Quetzalcoatlus is the largest pterosaur known to fly the skies. Paleontologists believe she could reach flight speeds of up to 80 miles an hour. That's pretty incredible. The largest Quetzalcoatlus ever discovered has a wingspan of 52 feet. Wow. Okay, so we went ahead and added her to the park. If we check out our collection, we've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 of the new Dino rival dinosaurs, including my favorite, the Indominus Rex. And I have over about 60 some, I believe, of the regular dinos, which if you've been watching my videos, I've provided you a code for every one of those.
Hi guys, Walt Dinosaur here, and today's secret word is the word. Go ahead and put that in the comment section down below the video, and I know you're a member of my club. See you soon.
Click the subscribe button below for a lot more fun videos. Also, click the bell button to be notified every time I make a new video. Click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos, and if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button.